Welcome to Quarantine Kitchen. Today we will be showing you how to manufacture cookies in mechanical engineering style through 3 different techniques: open die forging, stamping, and sand casting. First we have Alyssa, and she's going to create her own cookie dough extruder. First things first, we're going to need some dough. She is sure to add the ingredients with precise measurements to ensure maximum baking quality. Then she mixes the ingredients until the desired dough grain size and smoothness is achieved. To create her extruder, she takes an empty can and cuts out the bottom and top using a can opener. She then gets a plastic top and drills a hole for extrusion. Next, she connects the can and top and seals the edges using duct tape so no cookie dough can escape. She places some cookie dough in her extruder and the lid of the can on top so she can push the cookie dough out. She then pushes the cookie dough out in long pieces and cuts them up. And finally, she places a cookie sheet on the top of the cookie dough and uses a glass jar to slowly press down. Now you have a nice cookie shape, and all you need to do is bake and you have a nice mechanically engineered snack. But wait, there's more. Are plain old circular cookies not exciting enough for you? Look no further. Walter creates his own cookie cutter using 3D printing. He designs a 3D model using SolidWorks and sends the data to a 3D printer. After watching the print run, he detaches the cutter from the build plate. Next, he grabs the dough and makes sure to roll and flatten the dough to reduce the force needed to cleanly stamp the design. After the stamping process, he transfers the stamped dough onto a cookie sheet and inserts it into the oven. After baking until the edges are golden brown and crispy, all that's left is to sit down and satisfy your taste buds. Sand casting, on the other hand, has a different start. Sam will make a mold using a jar filled with brown sugar. The brown sugar is highly compressed so a proper mold can be made. The object used to make the pattern is a small glass heart. She has the object wrapped in plastic so she can pull out the heart without destroying the pattern. Once the mold is finished, she heats up some chocolate. Now just pour out the temperate chocolate in your mold and let it sit for 10 minutes. Once the chocolate is hardened, you can take it out, wash it off, and enjoy your treat.